Alright, here it is. The video you guys were waiting for is how did I solve the problem with my Raspberry Pi emulator not working, the Retropie basically, and here we are. The reason was I was using this website. So how does this website work? You go in here and you type in what you want to download. In this particular case I chose Pokemon Ruby version. That's what's going to show up. What you do is you press on here and it takes you to the next page where it shows you what the game looks like, and you press on download. Download takes you to this message here, and then it asks you to save the file, so you'll do that. Then you wait for it to download here, which is pretty quick if you're looking for something like a Game Boy Advance, but if you're trying to download something like Tekken, it'll take a long time. Alright, then you the problem I was having was that I thought that this file here, this exe file, is what you want to put in the ROM section of your Retropie, but actually it is not. And ROM basically means the video game that that your Raspberry Pi will look for and then run. This is not it. So what you need to do is double click here and it will tell you to run. Press on here and this will tell you be careful because it could be malware or a bad virus or whatever it is. But you have to say yes. And that's part of the reason why I don't recommend this website. It has a lot of bad stuff. And it tries to trick you here too. So this part is okay. Just say okay. But don't just go next, because this is bad. You don't want this. So decline that. And then you have to wait for this to download. Now this website, whether you click on stuff accidentally or you're just browsing, could easily download bad stuff to your computer. So if you're not techie, you don't know how to get rid of the malware manually, I would find somewhere else to get your games from. And also there's a possible legality issue for some games because some of the games are being repurposed and now being sold as part of retro gaming consoles. So I don't know where you guys stand on that, and so you have to do your research. Some games may not be okay to download and to play, so that's another thing you have to watch out for. But anyway, in a second hopefully this thing will be done and I can show you what the file looks like and what you should be like copy and pasting into your ROMs folder. But as you see, this is a very lengthy process just to get one game. It's been at least 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and we still don't have our first game. So that's another reason why this is not really the most efficient way to get your games. Alright, so now it says finish, but wait, it wants to install other random stuff to your computer, so probably decline this too. Alright, so and then press open. Okay, here we go. Now this file is still not the file that will run on your Raspberry Pi. You most likely will have to double click it, open it up, and drag and drop this file. This is the file, the ROM, the GBA, the .gba file that will run on your Raspberry Pi. Anyway, I hope that this turns out to be a very helpful video for you guys, because I'm sure a lot of you will run into this issue. And see you in the next one.